This is part 2 of section 2.4. We're doing activity 241 part B. And here we have x prime is equal to negative x minus y, and y prime is negative 3y, another partially coupled system. So here we're going to solve the y prime first. Now, if you've done a bunch of these already, you might be getting the hang of the fact that when you have y prime equals a constant times y, then y equals c times e to that constant times t. Okay, we've done enough of those, so you can just start doing that. I'm okay with that in your homework, because let's work smarter, not harder. Now, I can put that into the x prime equation. So then I've got x prime, and I'll add the x to the other side, equals negative y. So then that's a, I need to keep that constant. Okay, it's negative c, well, I mean, it's an unknown constant. So yeah, we'll keep that. We won't let the constant swallow it up anything, because now it's set into the y equals times e to the negative 3t. Now, what we do is that integrating factor is e to the power of the integral of 1, so e to the t. So x equals e to the negative t times the integral of negative c, and then e to the t times that be e to the negative 2t dt. So x equals x e to the negative t times negative, so positive 2c e to the negative 2t plus, we'll call that c1 plus c2. So x equals 2c1 times e to the negative t times negative 2t is negative 3t plus c2 times e to the negative t. And make sure that y, that c1 is the same as this c1. So y equals that, and x equals that. Okay? Now notice that we've had this thing where we kind of let our constant keep swallowing things because we don't care. Once I have it set into one equation, and it happens to be the same number I'm using, I want to keep track of things. So I want to keep track of the fact that that's the same constant, not just some arbitrary constant. All right, that concludes part B.